Trust.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows.
Vlogmas. Wait a second. Yep, day 7. Happy day 7 of Vlogmas. It's a Monday, and I just got to work, and I just got all settled in and everything like that. And y'all, I'm editing this morning at work. I got some vlogs I need to go ahead and edit really quick so I can just get home and upload them. So I'm about to do that really quick before I start working my 9 to 5. And yeah, I'm the first one here so far, so I made my coffee. I've been obsessed with putting that cinnamon sugar on there, and I wouldn't think that I would be, but it actually gives the coffee a really good taste. And that donut blend coffee was kind of like not that good either. Okay, so this is everything we got from Dollar General. We're just gonna do nachos. So I'm browning the ground beef. I got some of these Doritos. And I got a taco mix. I got this queso, white queso this time instead of the premium cheddar, some more salsa. We already had this in this. And I'm also gonna make some muffins.